In 2024, naval architects Chartwell Marine partnered with Solent University, securing in excess of £1 million of funding to develop a groundbreaking TriFoiler vessel. Their vision? To eventually transform it into a passenger vessel cruising between Southampton and the Isle of Wight. Throughout the year, we followed the build, through the highs, the fun, and the challenging parts of the project. Today we're back to check in on the progress before the boat takes to water in just 3 weeks' time.
So today's a really exciting day down here at Designcraft. We have just started wrapping the TriFoiler vessel. So it's been a long process to get here, but now all of the hulls are assembled. There's quite a bit of fit out which has happened inside the boat, but now is the day when we sort of put that crowning touch on it and wrap the vessel and make it look beautiful.
It's great seeing it wrapped because it means we're at the end of the project and we're in the final stages. The main challenge is it's been a very complicated boat to build just by virtue of the foils and the arrangement of the electrical systems and so on.
I think the whole project team is now getting really excited about seeing the boat on the water because it's been a long time coming, and if it's successful it could be a game changer for decarbonisation.
With the boat fully wrapped and the electronics complete, it was finally time to get it into the water.
Hopefully it won't sink. I mean, these guys are very professional. They've done many builds before, so I don't think it'll sink.
This morning there's been the finishing touches. We've just literally weighed the boat, so the boat is bang on weight, if anything a bit light, which is awesome.
Any time just before launching a boat is pretty intense, and it's been tense. Last night we were all here quite late.
You can see the crane is here now. The boat is on its trolley. We'll wheel the boat out, get it all hooked up to the crane.
Swing it right out into the water because there's actually not that much depth here. So we're here at just about the last day that we can launch it for about the next 2 weeks.
Throughout the project, two major questions remained. Would the vessel foil? And who would be the captain?
Not me.
Really, it should be Giles, since it was his idea in the first place. I don't think he has a chance. It's quite weight sensitive, so we might have to pick a skipper based on their size. I'm better than him.
After much deliberation, a decision was made.
Oh right, yes, I'm going to be driving the boat, yes.
How did that decision come to? It was a thought after role.
I don't know, to tell you the truth. I think either right place or right time, or wrong place, wrong time, depending on who you ask, really.
With the captain already, it's time to get the vessel into the water. There was a problem. The rudder was too large to get out of the doors. It was all hands on deck.
And as we've come down the slope here, we've just managed to get the rudder, which is slightly deeper than the main foils, just catching on the corner there.
With some adjustments to the custom-made cradle, the team was back at work. It took 64 weeks and thousands of hours of planning and building to reach this moment, but the entire team would agree it was worth every second.
I think it's quite something, really. I'm very pleased that we've managed to take a project from what is effectively a blueprint for the future, and hopefully it will be the beginning of using foil technology with batteries without polluting the planet.
I think we should pour a little bit over the boat to wish her good sailing.
This project was made possible by the partnership between Chartwell and Solent University, offering students a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
In my first year, I got to see it as a model, being tow tank tested. They were adjusting the foils. And then at the start of year 3, my lecturer sent me a message and said, do you want to help build it? So I did a whole load of CAD, did a little bit of the laminating, and towards the end actually got to do a little bit of design work as well, which was super cool.
Seeing it in the water after being in the shop, it's rewarding, it's fun, it's exciting.
With the boat safely on the water, it was time for Captain Chris to take it on its maiden voyage to Ocean Village.
Such a good feeling to have the boat on the water, but yeah, no, it's great to see it floating, great to see it here, and it's mooring in Ocean Village.
Seeing it from my screen to in the water is it's epic, and following it along in the ribs is really cool.
Tomorrow we're going out on the first trial, yeah, see how she goes at a bit more speed.
It's all good. Breathe.
After a successful day, a drink was certainly in order. But tomorrow is when the real challenge starts, as they try to get the vessel to foil.
I'll be handling communications with BTS, I'll handle all VHF communications, and Tom's going to handle all communications with Chris. Obviously we can make a call when we're out there if the wind's got up. At the moment it's blowing about 14 knots. Might be a bit choppy out there, but we'll make an assessment as to how it feels on the TriFoiler. I think Chris, you can make a call as well.
Alright.
Everyone ready?
Let's do it.
Ready.
Let's do
Good luck.
this. Come on, Chris.
Good luck, Chris.
Yes, mate. It on.
No pressure.
With all the necessary safety checks complete and the team fully briefed, a sense of anticipation filled the air. There was nothing to be nervous about. While patiently conducting various tests and adjustments to get the vessel foiling, it didn't achieve liftoff on its maiden voyage.
Yeah, lots to learn, but yeah, all good.
Like any commissioning process, it didn't go all to plan, that's for sure.
Fundamentally nothing broke, which is the main thing. Everything is still working, no alarms, nothing like that. So in that respect, really good.
Well, I think we'll probably sit down as a team and go through what that could be, but yeah, a positive first day.
Yeah, good steps forward. I think we've definitely got a good debrief to have later, but overall, super successful day.